What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna be doing the helicopter escape in Granny Chapter 2. We already did the car escape in Granny 1. So let's get started into the video, my Fazbears. Alright? Let's do this. Alright. Obviously practice mode because I suck. I do have it on silent mode now. Alright, so yes. We're about to do this. Granny Chapter I'm at 2. This should be easy. This is like the easiest chapter. Since the baby doesn't really kill you. And it's very easy to avoid the sea monster that's in the sewer. Next video we're probably gonna do the boat escape. That one, since it's vehicle, the vehicle, and then we're gonna security key, and then we're gonna do the both door escapes on chapter 1 and 2. So stay tuned for those. If I feel like making them today or any other day, it'll come to you guys, my fans. Why are the keys so light? Are light just everywhere? It should be like down here, right? And it should be like deep up here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, nothing in the clock. There's really anything in the clock, but alright, we need this. The gift from the helicopter. Okay, that's cringe. No cringe on this channel. Actually, there is some cringe on this channel because the Gacha Life videos, but I think I removed all of them. I almost removed all of them. Dang, you need a lot for this. You need a lot, bro. So yeah, just keep that open because we're gonna need that. So yeah, we're gonna need a weapon key. So let's check down here. Nothing. Oh yeah, we need those. Yeah, I forgot we need those. Alright, so let's gather all the grandpa pictures right there. Let's gather all the grandpa pictures because we're trying to get out from the. Yeah, I forgot all about that. Alright. Alright. Get out of here. You're literally dog water 5. Alright, you need to keep everything on this table. And then go back, get the key. Anything in the toilet? No. There should be pliers in here, but no. There's not. Why did I close this door? I didn't mean to do that. Alright, so let's go up here to the security room. Hold on. Check in here. Anything in the drawers? No. Yeah, I don't think they're there. Yeah, I don't think they're there. Alright, you got electric gun, crowbar. Dang, we have the jackpot right here. Then go in the pantry. There's some meat. Play the song. Me's house. I don't know. Shout out to FGTV. Yeah, they used to be one of my favorite YouTubers, but then they got like really boring, and I missed the low quality videos where it was like, yeah, I need that. I miss the low quality videos where there's too much editing. There's too much editing, and I don't like it. It's an FGTV video. It doesn't need all this editing. Alright, so let's get this key so we can unlock the door, and we can do for our stash. Alright. Our stash to do that. To do it. Alright, so grandpa picture. Let's get the gas fuse, because we need that. And let's get those other grandpa pictures. What's in here? Yeah, we don't need the boat key, so let's just shut that. Let's check in this other cab place. Alright. Yeah, check from right there. Alright, the wrench right here. Check these drawers. Weapon key. Yes, we need that. Okay. Let's drop this. And that one downstairs. Alright, yeah, we need gasoline for this. Alright, let's get the shotgun. And then place it in our stash. And then get those other things. And then get the other piece of the painting. Alright, we opened it. Ammo. Alright, and another ammo. So we got 2 ammos in the shotgun. Then go back up here. I need to get everything. We're missing I think we're missing the key, and we're missing some duct tape. Oh, now that I think of duct tape, let's go downstairs to the boat, because the duct tape could be in there, because that's a spot where it could be at. Yeah. Let's do that real quick. In case, yeah, I want to do something. Okay, I got the picture of that painting. Alright. Now, let's take our crowbar with us. I do not want to shoot that. I want to, but I can't. Yeah. I want to shoot it so bad. Oh my god. Wait. We're gonna. You said we're gonna take our crowbar. I'm sorry. We're gonna take our crowbar instead of our shotgun. I mean, they're both like. You can protect yourself with both, but still, it's L. Yeah, alright, got the helicopter manual. So right there, and then this here. Cutting pliers. Do we need that? I think we do. I don't think we need that. I think there should be duct tape down here. And yes, there is duct tape here. So yeah, alright, that's correct. There's duct tape here. Alright. Now, let's go. Yeah, upstairs. Alright, upstairs. Alright, what do you need first when we go upstairs? Do we got the wrench? Yes, we do got the wrench. So we're gonna check what's in the Baby Nina Taco Loco, what's inside that room. So let's see what's there. And then we're gonna get our stun gun. I don't want to waste my shotgun bullets over a baby. So we're just gonna use our stun gun to kill it. Yes, and yes, we're killing a baby. Whatever. No one cares about it. The baby's mid. Alright. So let's get our taser gun. Our electricity gun. What was it called again? Our stun gun. Yeah, our stun gun. Stun gun. What was that? Oh, alright. So we got our stun gun ammo. Let's turn over here. Yeah, go right here. What's up? What's up, bro? Right in the head. Yeah. Yeah, L. L, you see Slender, you know, you're an L. L ratio, bozo. Alright, we got the key, helicopter key. Stop making that noise, you dog water piece of crap. Alright, we got that. Now, we have a lot of items right here to get the... Alright, we're up here. What's right here? Handwheel. Oh, that's for something else. Yeah, the handwheel's for something else. Yeah, we don't need that. Nothing. Oh yeah, we do need the cutting pliers or something. Alright. I mean, we know where the cutting pliers at, so... So yeah, we know where the cutting pliers at. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's in there, so let's go over here. Yes, we'll see what the freak is. Bro, where be going? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, what do we need? Pictures or painting? Okay. That one. Go down here. Get this one. Alright, get that one. Spend my tell me. Oh, that's a motorcycle. I'm like, what the heck is that? Okay. I want to learn the granny lore. Like, there's like probably like the most lore, like ancestors and stuff. There's like so much granny lore. I bet there's like a ton of granny lore. Like, you know, I should say Slendrina lore because it originally came of Slendrina instead of, you know, Granny instead. Like what was it? Like some of them I think are prequels and sequels. Like the school, I think that's a prequel. Or Slendrina's origin story. She died in a Yeah, what is Granny's origin story? What causes her to be rude to like, are we intruders? Like, what the freak is going on, Granny? And you, Grandpa, too. One. I got a lot of ammo. I don't need to get like that. Here. What the heck was that? Okay. Whatever was that, that was weird. Alright. Let's get the gas fuse. And if you're missing something, let's search for what we're missing. Okay, now let's put the gas fuse in. What else? Alright, then we'll be led to the helicopter. Got the gas fuse. Oh, there's the grenades. I have to do like so much. Wait. Do you need a spark plug? I think we do. Or nah. There you go, that's better. Okay, got the duct tape for the for the propeller. They broke that crap up. I don't think we need a spark plug. I'm not sure if we need a spark plug. I kind of remember needing a spark plug. I don't think we need that. Alright, all we need is the helicopter key. I'm gonna try to blow this thing out there. Oh, okay, we need to back up for this one. Okay, that was crazy. Okay, okay. Let's go right here, helicopter key. And then if there's anything we need, we'll get it. If there's anything we need, yeah, I think. Did we do it? It's all shaky and stuff. You did it. Frick you, Granny. Okay, everyone. That was it for today's gameplay. That was interesting. We beat the helicopter, and so yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Thank you very much. Follow my Twitch. It's not no. I just forget to tell you guys about it. So Aiden the Faz, yeah, Talking Tom profile. Last live 2 months ago. Yes. It's quiet, too quiet. So yeah, Aiden the Faz, and yeah, and obviously follow my TikTok. Okay, yeah. Aiden Faz there. Okay. Anyways, bye everybody. You're cool. Awesome.